Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we'll talk about how to disable YouTube Shorts. Stick to the end of this video and I'll share with you 15 useful software you don't know exist. So let's open the YouTube app. Let's scroll a little bit. Here this section Shorts on home screen. If you want to hide it, there is no built-in option to do that, but I think I found a workaround way to do that. So we just tap the three dots of the short and tap on not interested. Do it on every short. And basically you give the signal to YouTube you don't like shorts. Now let's refresh the page and look if we see shorts. We don't see shorts. Now let's open the app again and refresh. We still don't see shorts. Let's clear and open again. No shorts. So if you want to stay that way, just don't open shorts in general. In this case, you basically telling YouTube you're not interested, you prefer longer videos, and hopefully you won't see shorts anymore. Thanks for watching. If you want to see the 15 softwares, tap the link at the top of this video.